This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by making the Pi reachable and secure. You enable SSH and VNC so you can access the desktop, open Raspberry Pi configuration or run raspiconfig, and turn on those services. Once done, connect the Pi to your local network using Ethernet or reliable Wi-Fi and set a static IP or reserve it on your router so the address won't change. Finally, update the OS and install or enable a VNC server. Real VNC comes bundled. Or install Tightmink server for a lightweight alternative. Now configure the remote desktop software so it behaves predictably. You will set a strong VNC password and choose a desktop resolution or run a virtual display. This prevents session mismatch. Next, open necessary ports in the Pi firewall or, preferably, plan to tunnel VNC over SSH for encryption. Allow port 22 and avoid exposing 5900 to the internet. Once configured, test locally from another device with VNC Viewer or use SSHX for quick GUI forwarding to confirm the desktop appears and input works. To connect from outside your LAN, do not expose VNC directly. Instead, use an SSH tunnel or connect through a VPN and consider dynamic DNS if your IP changes. Make sure you harden the Pi by changing the default password, enabling automatic updates or regular upgrades, and using SSH key authentication rather than passwords. Finally, test the remote connection. If something breaks, first verify the Pi's IP. Confirm VNC/SSH services are running with systemctl, inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.